Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Rishi again. So now the next question, like we pass constructor argument, we pass properties, can we pass object? So we just passed like a string value from here. So can we pass a value which is an object? So let's try that. So now here in the hello world example, we will actually create a property which is an object of state. And that state is basically have the language. Okay. So let's create that. So I'm creating an object called state. State has two properties, state name, state language. You may have constructor, you may not, that's not a problem. Let's have getters and setters of properties. And now here, I'm actually adding that state into hello world. So hello world instead of language now, so I'll delete this language and getters and setters of a language. So I'll delete that. And I will have private state. Of course the SS mod. And I have a getters and setters of state. In getters of state, I'll just print out state and plus state dot toString, and let's have this toString method get implemented in state, where we will print state name as well as language. toString, and here we will return state name plus state name, and the language which that state has, we'll print it here. So we don't have to actually grab the values and put it, we'll just use toString method for that. Now let's actually declare this state method, or add a bean of this state in this. So it will be a simple bean. So bean, then you have name equals to state. If this name can be anything, class, you will create the same class, com.rishi.spring.state, and now within that I'll be adding two properties again. So these two properties are state name and language. So state name and language. So state name is MP and language is Hindi. So now I have this state ready. How can I pass? And I don't have a language now in hello world, so I'll remove that property from here. So I don't have that. But I do have another property in hello world which is state. So how do you pass that in spring.xml? To pass a property which is object, what you have to do is you'll create property again. Name equals to match the name here. So what your name is, it's a state. So basically match that name. And instead of value, you will use reference, where you are referencing some other bean. So the bean name is state again. So if you are getting confused about that, so you say state bean. So that will be very easy for you to identify which one is what. So you're referencing state bean now. So let's run this code and see. I'm removing the prototype, okay, and make it as a singleton. Let's run this code and see whether we are actually grabbing this particular state and putting it here in the hello world. So to do that, we come back here in test code, which is giving error here because of language. So instead of language, I'm going to grab get state. And of course, the get state has method println, and you are printing the state. Okay, you don't need this. Basically, you can actually print it as it is, and let's see if you're getting the proper results. You don't need this hola now, so let me delete that. You can add it whenever we need one. And let's run this code. And you get state name as MP and language as Hindi. So basically you are embedding an object, you are passing an object with the help of property placeholder. Sorry, with the help of property in Spring XML. Okay. Can you pass constructor argument as well? Yes. So let's see that in the next video.